Hi guys, welcome back to a new Discord bot tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a pagination command, basically an embed with multiple pages, and you can switch through these pages using emojis. So this is assuming you've already coded your own command handler. You can check out one of my videos, should be in the top right corner right now, on how to create your own command handler. But for now, let's get started. So module.exports equals, now we'll give it the name, let's call it page. And then your execute or run function, whatever you call this. Now we're gonna need to import the import the Discord library. Okay. And let's create an array of all of the embeds that we would like to have. So new Discord message embed. And let's set the title of this embed to, let's set it to page 1. And then a new embed with the name page 2. Let's just copy, forgot a comma, there you go. And then let's just create a bunch of these. Let's have like 4 in total, so oops, there you go, like that. So now we have an array of all the embeds, or all the pages, and now let's create an array with our emojis. So I want to have an emoji to skip all the way back to go to the very first page. I want to have one to go to the previous page. I want to have another emoji to go to the next page, and the final one should be to go all the way over to the last page. So those are all the variables that we need to declare over here. So let's reply to the message with the first page of the embed, and then that message that we send, we're going to oops, this is a function like that. Okay, so right, don't forget that this is asynchronous. And now we have to, for const emoji of emojis, we're gonna react with the emoji, or sorry, await react. So it actually does it in the correct order, because sometimes if you don't do await, it could happen in a random order, and we don't want that. Now let me actually paste the emojis that I want to use. There you go. Those are the emojis I would like to use. And now let's create a reaction collector for this message. So message create reaction collector. And now we're going to give it a filter function. So we're going to pass through the reaction from the user. And now I want the reaction emoji to be included in our emoji array. So I want it to be one of those, else we're going to ignore the reaction. And also I want the person that reacts, it has to be the author of the message that created the page embed. Now you can leave this out if you want every member to be able to switch through pages, but I recommend that you only have either a role or someone, because imagine you have like a big server and just a bunch of people react, it's probably going to break the message. And now that we created our collector, we can listen for a collect event. So every time someone reacts, we're going to get the reaction and the user. Oops. And okay, there you go. Okay, and now we're gonna reaction users remove user ID. So this is gonna remove the user's reaction, just so everything is clean. Make sure you create a page variable, since this will be the index of our embeds array, aka the page. Okay, so now we're gonna want to create a select embed function. I'm going to pass through our emoji. This is just going to be a switch case. And now in case our emoji is this one, we're gonna set our page to 0, and we're going to return embed page, or embeds page, like that. Now in case it is this one, we're just going to return embeds, and then so now we're going to try to go to the previous page, and if that doesn't exist, if that is undefined, then we're just going to return the current page again. Basically, all it does is it tries returning the previous page. Let's say we're currently on page 0 or page 1, and then with the previous page would be page 0, but that doesn't exist. So if that doesn't exist, we go back to page 1. So we add 1 to 0 again. And now the same thing with this emoji, just that we swap the operators around. So return embeds, and now instead of minus page, we do plus page, and then embeds minus page, like that. And now the last case is going to be our go to the very last page case, and basically this is just going to set the page to embeds length minus 1, and return, okay, I can't spell, return embeds from the page, which is -1, the length -1. Okay, so now we just have to return message edit, select embed, and pass through the reaction emoji name, and then go semicolon, and that's pretty much it. So let's try it out and see if it works. So page like that. Now let's go to the next page. That works. Page 2, page 3, page 4. Let's go back to the first one, and then let's go like that. You see it works. All the buttons work. Let's go to the last page. You know, and you can navigate. Everything works perfectly fine. And also, if you try to go out of bounds, basically, it's going to not work. You know, you have to wait a little bit. There you go. Okay, so that was pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Peace.